Okay, so today, tuturo ko kayo paano mag changing fraction, changing mixed number into um, improper fraction. Okay, so let's do it. So changing mixed fractions into improper fractions. Ayan. So, yan po ang ating lesson today. So, ano ba example niyan? Okay, mixed fraction or mixed number. Okay? So, pwede po yan kung ito ba ay mixed fraction or mixed number. Okay, una, so kailangan natin magkaroon ng mixed number. Okay, halimbawa, ito po yung 3 and 1 half. Yan, 3 and 1 half. Paano siya exchange? Una, ito pong whole number, multiply nyo po dito. Whole number, i-multiply po sa denominator. Okay? Times. Then, sumunod, second step, yung sagot po nito, okay, the product of this, i-add mo po dun sa numerator. Ano? Okay. Plus, ayan. Multiply first, 3 multiply by 2 equal to 6. Then, plus 1, 7. Ayan, 7. Then, copy the denominator. Kanya na po kasimple. Okay, unang step, 3 multiply by 2, 6. What is the product? It's 6. And then, plus 1 is equal to 7. Another example, 4 and 3 fourth. Ayan. Una, 4 times 4. Ito. 4 times 4, then plus 3. 4 times 4, 16. Then plus 3, 19. Then copy the denominator. Ayan. Get it? Another example. Okay. 5. Okay. 5 and 2 fifth. Ayan. Okay. Gagawin po una, 5 times 5, 25. Plus 2 is 27. 27. And then, copy the denominator. Yan na po yung magiging sagot. Ganun lang po kasimple. Another example. Another example ay 7 and 3 fourth. 7 and 3 fourth. Okay? Una, 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 3 is 31. And then, copy the denominator. Okay? So, ganun lang po ka simple. Okay, paano po yun i-check, no? Paano po yun i-check kung tama po ang inyong sagot? Okay. So, 7 halves or 7 over 2, ilang 2 meron sa 7? How many 2's are there in 7? Okay, meron tayong 3. Ayun po yun. Okay? Ilang 2 meron sa 7? Ito po yun, 3. Yung ating whole number. And then, nung kumuha ka po ng tatlong 2, ilan ang tatira? Isa. And then, copy the denominator. Ito naman po sa kanila, kakabila. No? 19 over 4. Okay, ilang 4 meron sa 19? How many 4's are there in 19? So, meron tayong nakuha diyang 4. And then, nung kumuha ka po ng 4 na 4, ilan natira? It is 3. Ayun po. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19. So, ganun lang po kasimple. So, that's all. Thank you so much for listening. Changing mixed number, changing mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, okay naman changing mixed number into improper fraction. So, thank you so much. Kung ikaw po ay bago pa lang sa aking channel, please like and share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Muli, ito po ang inyong guro. Walang iba kundi si Teacher Junex. Thank you so much. God bless.